Hi there, my name is Rhiannon and I'm one of the founders of BBQ Spit Rotisseries. Today I'm going to answer one of the most common questions we get asked by our customers. Do I use wood or lump charcoal when cooking in my Parrilla Grill? Personally, I prefer to use double split Ironbark, but you could also use Redgum. Whichever you choose to use, just make sure that it's seasoned and dry. If you're using wood that's not completely dry, you will find it very difficult to light and you won't generate the same level of heat. Now, if you can't find any dry wood, you can use a natural lump charcoal, like the Flaming Coals lump charcoal I've got here, and then just use some flavoured wood chunks to help get that nice smoky flavour. Now, to get the fire going, just use a couple of firelighters, some kindling, and then your hardwood. Otherwise, if you're choosing to use charcoal, you can get it started using a charcoal starter wand. Wait for the wood to burn down to coals, then spread the coals out under your cooking area, and then you're ready to go. If you'd like to stay connected and keep on upping your barbecue game, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment below, give us a big thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.